So in the last video, I showed how you can take an RDD, parse it, make it into a data frame, and then store it as a parquet file or parquet directory. And now I'm going to tell you how you work from that parquet directory, and you'll see how much more efficient things are when you work that way. Okay, so the first thing, of course, you need to do is you need to copy from S3 to the head node, and from the head node to the HDFS. Okay, so that took 16 seconds plus 9 seconds, maybe 25, 26 seconds. Now you can do everything in one step. So I'm saying the parquet name is weather, but here I'm just writing a query, an SQL query, and that is select station and measurement and year from a particular parquet file, this file that I described here, where measurement is precipitation. Okay, so we want basically all of the rows that have this precipitation. And then we just execute this command. And so what you see is here is the precipitation. Here's the query. This is the query. And the important thing to notice is this part. Okay, so that you don't need to read the parquet file in as a whole. You can just issue the SQL against a parquet file, and that it will execute it efficiently over there. Right? So it will take only the parts that are needed in order to execute your query, which really saves a lot of time, because this whole thing that took tens of seconds or so before, now it takes 2.26 seconds. Okay, and you basically get as the result of the query and DF2, you get this data frame that has exactly the information that you wanted, and now you can process it further. Okay, so you can easily see how using Parquet allows you efficient access to your disk, especially if you don't need all of the information, but you're just choosing some particular subset. While if you did the same thing with the RDD, and we did that, you actually need to read the whole file and then use filter to remove the ones that you don't care about. Okay, so that takes much longer. That is what I had to say about Parquet. I will see you next time.